Hello, what's up guys? It's another kind of morning. We have come here. It's a new blessings, a new week that we are here again. Thank you for coming back here to watch this channel again. My name is Graccey Mission. Whoever is new here, consider subscribing. This is a better way of supporting me here at the village. I've come at the side here. Also we have a side at our place here. You can see from up here. You can see how it looks here at the village. This is really my home. I'm talking live from my home here. I'm very much happy when people come back here to watch my channel again. My new subscribers, my new viewers. Hello, how are you? Thank you so much. I've come out here I can't stop thanking you day and night overall for you have that heart of coming back again to watch my channel again. I'm very much happy. God bless you wherever you are. Let's continue moving together as a family as we continue uploading another video. So give the video a like. Hope you enjoyed this channel here. Leave some comments here and click the bell so that when I upload another video you will continue enjoying the videos here. Thank you so much. There are a lot of trees here, as you can see. These are, I don't know how they call them. Someone who's in the graccey in East Africa knows maybe how we call these trees here. So we also have the tea leaves, as you can see here. It is up to this side here, as usually they plant the trees at the side so that they don't mix it with the other plants. That's why they bring them down here at the side near the stream. Yeah, near the stream. So when we reach here at the side, the boundaries are the streams. The boundaries are the streams here. So that is the stream. It comes from over there, it goes to this, and this stream goes exactly to Lake Victoria, as you can see. It goes all the way, and it stay with the other rivers, and then it goes to Lake Victoria, where we get fresh fish from Lake Victoria here. So this is the side, this is our side here. Today they are doing some splitting. They are splitting some timbers because my brother needs to use them, maybe for some other job, because his house is not finished. That's why he has come to split some timbers here. I have also come just to assist him. I have come just to tour here. It's another kind of blessing. You know, here at the side there are no boundaries, only the stream that makes it the boundary here. If you are, this is another person's plot, but then the stream, when the stream is running the other side like this, the other side here it is our plot, and the other one is someone is different plot. So the stream here makes the boundaries. We don't have boundaries at this. I can walk from here up to the other side. So it's only the trees where they leave some marks that this is my place here. That is it. You can see how beautiful it is. It's very beautiful here. So that's another someone is a plot the other side. But I can walk all over up to where, if I get tired, I come back. That is it. Here at the side it is like that. That's where. But when we go up, there is some boundaries, because people here, they put boundaries because of safety. Also the rules of our Kenyan rule, you have to put boundaries so that there should be no chaos when you want to do your work. People should not come and grab your place. That's why they leave some boundaries here. That's why you can see some boundaries from up there. But when we reach at the stream here, we don't have boundaries, because the trees are being planted straight. So some forest trees, some beautiful forest trees, as you can see here. They are very beautiful. Even these ones you can use them for sweeping. This one's here. You can see they use them for sweeping. Maybe if you are near them. You know, forest, sometimes the forest will not be dead here. You can make your forest by yourself here. You can see the other side up there. There are only trees. Because people here put some trees near the stream. That is the rules of Kenya rules here. They don't want you to mix the plants with the trees. That's what is made here in our Kenyan area. Whoever comes from East Africa here knows what I'm talking about. Maybe other people, we may learn from other things. No one is perfect here, so we are learning things as we continue moving. We are still learning things from each and everyone. Maybe you are right there, you make me learn something that I had never been knowing. So hope you enjoyed this video. You leave some comments here if you have ever have some streams like this one here. This is the village life, and we have the trees. People have trees. They don't buy trees. If you want to split some timbers, people don't have to buy from someone. But if you have not planted, maybe that's when you can go and buy and split some timbers if you want some timbers or firewood. But all over the people, they have trees, so they don't buy firewood. They can split them by themselves. That is it. We are very blessed here, and we are very much happy. Hope you enjoyed this video here as we continue and moving. More videos, more uploading videos. Amazing coming from the village here. I am Kerry Mission on my YouTube channel. Let's continue moving and moving together as a family. As we move, we continue loving each other, knowing each other, where I come from, where we are living, and where we are moving. Staying here, we are doing some, we don't do weeding here at the side. If the trees have gone up, that's when we don't do the weeding, we just cut down the weeds, as you can see here. And you have to be careful, you have to use a slasher, because the slasher is long, because there are some other weeds here. If they come contact with your skin, your skin will start itching. So that's why you have to use a slasher like this one here, and then you cut down the weeds. And you have to wear some safety boots, because at the side here you don't know which creature is here. You can see, you can find some snakes. That's why you have to wear some boots. Even if you walk here and there, you can see, even though those ones that are cut down, they are here. This one makes you wear the boots, so that's for your safety as you continue walking. You enjoyed this video here as we continue. Hope you are very much happy. Leave some comments here if this is how you work at your village, at your home, when you plant some trees. Is this the weeding you do the way I'm doing on my style? That's you leave some comments down there. Thank you so much as we continue. That's one. So this is the side here. I have come to visit the people who are helping us with the splitting the timbers. Here is Mr. George. I know him from very far. So many years back, I know him. Hi, Mr. George.
Fine.
How are you?
Fine.
So I've come here just to say hi to you because of the job that you are doing, a very amazing job. Whoever is outside there, you can just take George's number so that he can come and help you with the splitting timbers. He's doing an amazing job with the youths here. As I said earlier about empowering the youths who are outside there, they can just come out with their talents, like the splitting the timbers here. This is an amazing job and it has a lot of money, as you can see. So George, what are the challenges that you get when you are splitting the timbers?
Sana ni shida ya pesa.
Shida ya pesa.
Mahala wakati tunafanya hii kazi kama unapoangalia sasa hizi. Unaona hapa ni topography hapa ni mbaya sana. Simama kufanya kazi lazima kulevelize. Inachukua muda. Hiyo ni challenge moja.
Sana machine
nayo unajua machine kawaida iko na shida zake.
Sometimes the machine can hit a jump and it cannot work, so that's the wastage of time. Sometimes you cannot work if the machine is not doing its job. So let's meet in another video, and here is my cousin, Mr. Lucas. Say hi to my viewers.
Hi.
Hello, Mr. Lucas. It's my cousin from my daddy's home. So, Mr. George, thank you for coming back here to help us with this job. I know the entire youths who are outside there, so you can come with your talent so that you can do like what George is doing here. Let's meet in another video. Say bye-bye, Mr. George.
Welcome.
Bye. And there is the one who is helping Mr. George with the splitting the symbols. Say hi too. Hello, thank you so much. Let's meet in another video. Hope you leave some comments here as we come out with some other amazing videos to come. Thank you so much.